Assalamualaikum friends, today we will discuss the mnemonic for memorizing the TCA cycle easily. So the TCA cycle is also called the Krebs cycle. It was first proposed by Adolf Hensed of Krebs in 1937. Therefore, it is called the Krebs cycle, and it is also called the TCA cycle. The TCA cycle contains citrate, iconitate, and isocitrate. In these three or 6 carbon compound, each of which contain the 3 carboxyl group. Therefore, it is also called tricarboxylic acid cycle. Remember that 65 to 70% of the body energy in the form of ATP is produced by the Krebs cycle, and 2/3 of the body oxygen is consumed by Krebs cycle. So, to memorize the step that is involved in Krebs cycle, we have mnemonic. The mnemonic is apple and orange, cause isosmotically potassium and sodium suckling for maintaining osmolarity. So you have to take the first red letter of each word. The acetyl CoA plus the oxaloacetate react to form the citrate, and the citrate then will be converted by a special enzyme into aconitate, and the aconitate then will be converted by a special enzyme that we will discuss later into isocitrate. The isocitrate will be converted by enzyme into oxalosuccinate, and the oxalosuccinate will be converted into alpha ketoglutarate, and the alpha ketoglutarate will be converted into the succinyl CoA, and the succinyl CoA will be converted by special enzyme into succinate, and the succinate will be converted into fumarate F, and the fumarate will be converted into malate by special enzyme, and the malate will be converted into oxaloacetate, and the oxaloacetate produced as a result of this cycle will now enter again into cycle and continue the process. So this is the mnemonic. The acetyl CoA plus oxaloacetate react in the form of citrate synthetase to form the citrate. The citrate in the presence of aconitase will be converted into aconitate, and the aconitate will be converted into the enzyme aconitase into the isocitrate, and the isocitrate in the presence of isocitrate dehydrogenase it will be converted into the oxalosuccinate, and the oxalosuccinate in the presence of isocitrate dehydrogenase it will be converted into alpha ketoglutarate, and the alpha ketoglutarate in the presence of alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase it will be converted into succinyl CoA, and the succinyl CoA in the presence succinate thiokinase into succinase. The succinate now will be converted into fumarate, and the fumarate will be converted into malate by the enzyme fumarase, and the malate will now be converted into oxaloacetate by the malate dehydrogenase. The oxaloacetate is now produced. It will be again enter into the cycle and will continue the process. So this is the mnemonic for memorizing the Krebs cycle easily. Thanks for watching the video.